Today we're diving deep into ByetHost, one of the more well-known names when it comes to free web hosting services. If you've looked into launching a website with zero upfront cost, chances are you come across ByetHost. It claims to offer free hosting with no forced ads, decent uptime, and support for popular scripting languages like PHP and MySQL. But how true are these promises? After setting up a test site, the registration process was fairly straightforward. It didn't take more than a few minutes to get access to the VistaPanel control panel, which is ByetHost's custom-built cPanel alternative. While it's functional, it does feel outdated, and the interface isn't the most intuitive. Navigating between features like FTP access, MySQL databases, and file manager was a bit clunky at first. One of the positives is that you actually get full FTP access, even on the free plan. That's not something every free host allows, and it makes a big difference if you're managing your site manually. I tested uploading a small WordPress site, and although the upload process wasn't fast, it did work. Database creation and linking went smoothly. However, performance is where things get mixed. The load speeds were noticeably slower during peak traffic hours. There were times when I experienced 504 gateway timeouts, and even full-on server outages for short periods. That said, if you're just running a simple static site or a test project, the free plan might still be workable. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. On the support side, things aren't too encouraging. The knowledge base is very basic, and most of the articles are outdated. There's no live chat support, and email tickets took over 48 hours to get a reply. That's not ideal if your site suddenly goes down and you're stuck without assistance. One thing to note is that while the free plan looks attractive, there are a lot of upsells to their premium plans, which start relatively low in price. Premium hosting includes cPanel, better performance, and more reliable uptime, but of course, that comes at a cost. If you're running anything mission-critical, you might want to skip the free plan altogether and consider paid hosting from the start. Security features are minimal. There's no built-in SSL certificate on the free plan, and you'll need to install one manually or upgrade. Backups aren't automatic either, so you'll have to manage that on your own. In terms of use case, ByetHost is suitable for learning environments, testing out small projects, or practicing website management skills. But for production environments, client websites, or anything requiring serious uptime, you'll run into limits quickly. If you're someone who wants to avoid spending money at the early stages and can handle some technical roughness, ByetHost does give you a functional foundation. Just keep your expectations realistic. Thanks for watching this honest review of ByetHost. If this helped you make a decision or gave you some clarity, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more real-world web hosting reviews and tutorials.